Look at to the camera. So now the wall rapid is coming ahead, and which is one of the biggest rapid of this river, and we are going to hit all the waves, and we also need your help, and you have to pedal hard. Little go forward first, and stop. Very good. So people, can you go that side? I'll manage this side. So you on the right side, you on the left side. So I might say forward hard, get down, back in your position. So you have to just follow all the commands. Yeah. So we are going to hit nice the wall rapid, and which is coming very soon. So let's go forward. Together, right side little harder. Mona, forward pedal proper. Forward. Stop. So right side little weaker. So right side you have to make little harder because boat is turning. Let's go forward. Lock your leg proper. Stop. Forward. We are entering to the rapid now. Stop. So nice rapid is coming up. Everyone again, sit tight, sit proper. Let's go forward. 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 Together. Stop. Forward again. Faster, faster, faster. Faster, faster. Hey, faster. Mona, faster. Stop. Here we go. Forward. Yeah, forward. Mona, yes. Hit it. Forward, forward, forward. Everybody hold on, get down. Hold on, get down. Yes, come on. Forward, 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 forward. Forward, forward. And stop. Perfect. Very good. Great one. Let's celebrate. Yo baby, say all together. 1, 2, 3. Yo baby, yo baby, yo baby, yo.